Sometimes, everything looks the same. The wind moves through the grass, soft, gentle. People pass by, talking, living. The world feels normal, and you are in it, standing still, not lost, not broken, just not there. Like something inside you didn't arrive with the rest of you. You try to feel something, anything, but everything passes through you like wind through empty space. You watch the world move, and slowly you realize you are not moving with it. There's no moment you can point to, no clear reason, just a quiet distance growing inside you. And no one sees it. They look at you and see the same person. You speak, you nod, you respond when needed. Everything looks right, but something feels missing. At first, it's small, easy to ignore. A thought, a pause, a moment that lingers too long. Then it comes back, stronger this time. Not loud, not sharp, just heavy, like something pressing against your chest from the inside. You take a breath, then another. It doesn't go away. You try to distract yourself. You move, you look around, but the feeling stays. Quiet, patient, waiting. And slowly, the silence inside you begins to change. It's no longer empty. It's full. Full of something you can't name. Something that doesn't have words. And that's when it starts. The pressure. Rising. Slowly. Filling every quiet space inside you. Your chest feels tighter. Your breath feels shallow. And still, nothing happens outside. The wind keeps moving. The world keeps going. But inside, everything is getting louder. Not a sound, but something stronger than sound. Something that pushes against every part of you. You try to hold it in. You stay still. You stay quiet. Because you don't even know what would come out if you let it. And then there's a moment. Small, almost invisible, where everything inside you reaches its limit. Not breaking, but no longer holding. And you realize you've been screaming for a long time. Just not out loud. Not with your voice, but with your silence. And no one heard it. Because sometimes the loudest cries are the ones no one will ever hear.